Hey everybody, it's your old pal Uncle Eric again, out here in Gerlach one more time. We're going to try to get some drone flights accomplished today while we're out here directing traffic. We got a pavement operation going on over here. These guys are getting set up. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be really hot. It's supposed to be 97 degrees out here today, and not a shade tree to be found. So we're out in the middle of the Smoke Creek Desert. That's Smoke Creek over there, and we're at the top of the hill by the water tanks that feed Gerlach, Nevada. The only bad part about this is I forgot to bring my SD card for the drone. I took it out and put it in the computer last night to watch some footage, and I forgot to take it back. So I'm going to be without the GoPro today because I got to steal the SD card out of this to put in the drone to get some flights done. So at least I have the extra card. That's a good thing. Anyway, we're going to get started. Hope you're having a good day. I know I'm having a good day. And let's see what we can get accomplished this morning. This is Highway 447 in Gerlach. And this is what we were doing today. The work zone's about a mile long. We've got, looks like Brad and my new guy Manny down here, actually working with the grader that is pushing some material off to the side. We're doing some repaving here, and we're going down 447. This is the first time that I've actually flown the drone without actually being able to see it. It has a display that I'm able to look at, and this is the grinder that is grinding out more pavement, and we're going down the highway here trying to get to the other end of the work zone where two of my guys, Victor and Brian, are sitting in there. This was actually a challenge by Victor, and he challenged me this morning to say, fly that drone down here to where I can see it. This is the first time I've done this. I've only had the drone for about a week, and doing a zoom in here to get a hold of their picture. It should be turning here in a second. And the guy standing outside the truck is Victor, and Brian is the guy sticking his finger out of the window. And Brian, you shouldn't do that, but you know what? It's funny. So this is actually the first time that I've done this with the drone. It's an awesome thing. That thing is amazing. It's a DJI Air 2S, and it has incredible pictures. It flies really well. It has a great range. We were able to get it up over 350 feet high the other day, and it just, I think, is really going to enhance this channel. So here we're flying back to the spot where I'm at, again over the crew. The thing has a top speed of 33 miles an hour. So it goes really fast. And you'll see here in a minute that it'll reach us once it gets past the second work zone. There's the grader Manny again. And we should be coming up on me any second. And here's me and Daniel. Daniel was doing the flagging operation while I was playing with my drone. Thank you, Daniel, very much. And we'll back it up a little bit and zoom back out. I'm waving hi and giving a thumbs up. Now I've put it into what's called auto land, where basically it lands automatically. So it'll fly down here, get close to us, turn. The camera angles go kind of wacky for a second, and it will land and shut itself off. This thing is amazing. It has great computer control. It has, again, the auto land feature. So looks like the camera's going to flip. Yep, camera flips up, comes over. I'm pointing at the ground where it's supposed to land. It turns and then drops down and shuts off. And there's me again. This thing is totally amazing. Hey there again. It's me, your old pal Uncle Eric, once again. By the footage you just saw, we made it. We flew from one end of the job site that I'm on to the other end of the job site I'm on without actually having visual contact with the drone. All I was using was the monitor, and we made it all the way down there and we made it all the way back. Pretty freaking cool. This thing is getting more and more impressive every time that I use it. It's a good tool. I think that it's going to really enhance this channel for sure. But we'll do some more here in a little while, but I got to work now, so we'll talk in a little bit.